on a Friday night and I feel like a little something sweet. I decided to make a version of Ina's Rum Raisin Rice Pudding, minus the raisins. The ingredients you'll need are rum, rice, half and half, sugar, 1 egg, and vanilla. I'll start by adding the rice, a pinch of salt, and water into a heavy-bottomed pan. On medium to high heat, I'm going to let the water come to a boil. Once it comes to a boil, I'll give it a stir, put the lid on, and lower the heat down to a simmer. It should take about 8 minutes for most of the water to be absorbed into the rice. Checking on our rice, you can see that the water was absorbed and we're ready to add the next few ingredients. Oops, sorry about that. Now let's add in 4 cups of half and half. I actually had whole milk that I wanted to use, so instead of half and half, I used 2 cups of milk and 2 cups of heavy cream. I'm adding in the sugar and stirring to combine. If you have made rice pudding before, you know that a lot of the work of this recipe is in the stirring, so let's get stirring. My timer is set for 25 minutes and I'm just going to be cautious that a skin doesn't form during this process. After 25 minutes, the consistency will look like this, and you can go ahead and add your remaining cup of half and half and egg. I actually would mix the egg and the half and half together next time I make this recipe because I was not quick enough mixing in the egg and there were some small yellow pieces. It was okay, but I think I would make that change next time. Off the heat, I'm going to add in my favorite, vanilla, and a little bit of rum. I wasn't in the mood for the raisins this night, but I did add the rum because why not? When a recipe calls for vanilla, I just cannot resist adding vanilla bean paste in addition to the extract. And our rice pudding is complete. I'm going to transfer it into a dish to cool now. I cannot and will not wait to eat this rice pudding any longer. So I'm taking a little portion for myself. And then I'm going to cover it with a piece of saran wrap, making sure that the saran is touching the top of the rice pudding so that it doesn't form a skin while it cools. Now that that's done, I'm ready to enjoy. If you're wondering, Rachel, is that really hot? Yes, it is, but I cannot resist. was so delicious. It was so creamy and custardy. The rice was perfectly cooked. In the beginning, when you're stirring, you wonder if it'll ever be finished. But trust me, it comes together in no time, and you will be soon enjoying this on the couch watching your favorite show.
Just ran into her at the coffee cart. There's no way that was a coincidence.
I don't know, Harvey. The Scotty I remember would never come at you from the side like that.